sources have told NDTV on the impeachment motion in Rajya Sabha that the motion that was announced by Vice President in Rajya Sabha has not been admitted. The impeachment motion against Justice Yashwant Verma has not been admitted in the Rajya Sabha. Sources are now telling NDTV that the impeachment motion has been admitted in Lok Sabha rather. We'll try and get more details about that. Ishwarya Jain, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast here. Well, we do understand just a day after Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar also had tendered his resignation, and the information now that's coming out is that, Ishwarya, that the impeachment motion that was announced by the Vice President has not been admitted. Is that confirmed?
Well, top government sources have told NDTV that on Monday, when the opposition moved the impeachment motion against Justice Verma, it was acknowledged by Jagdeep Dhankar from the chair. But when it was sent to the Secretary General, it was not admitted at that point in time. So there is no point of withdrawing the motion from the Rajya Sabha. Perhaps in the Lok Sabha, more than 145 MPs have submitted the motion, and that was accepted. So the sources are also indicating that first the impeachment motion will come in the Lok Sabha, and subsequently it will be sent to the Rajya Sabha. There is, of course, soon after the joint committee, perhaps with the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha deputy chairperson, that will be formed, which will comprise of one Supreme Court judge, one Chief Justice from High Court, and also one legal luminary which will submit its report back to the Lok Sabha itself, which is a probe committee that will probe in the entire matter. But the biggest update, and the sources have indicated to us, that the opposition MPs that had earlier moved the impeachment motion has not been admitted in the Rajya Sabha, and there is no point of withdrawing it from the Rajya Sabha.